Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, so I'm here at my friend's backyard mini ramp, and it's been a while since I've been able to learn a new trick. All the skate parks have been closed, and I haven't really had access to a mini ramp, so psyched to try to learn a new one. Today, I'm going to try fakie front heel to nose stall. I tried the opposite version of that, a nollie back heel to tail, probably for like a year, just kicking them around, and it took forever to finally land one, but I'm curious to see how long this one will take. And yeah, just like to skate this ramp and psyched to learn a new trick. All right, first I'm just gonna warm up with some half cab nose stalls. All right, those are feeling pretty comfortable. I'm gonna try the fakie front heel nose stall now. That one was kind of close. Got like 8 shinners already, and yeah, forgot to mention I'm terrible at fakie front heel, so I think we got it. Okay, I think I figured out the trick. Really got to swing my shoulders with it. When I don't rotate with it, the board over rotates for some reason, so yeah, I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, so it's been like 45 minutes. My shins are getting banged up and I'm just not really getting that close, so I'm gonna move on and just try to learn a new trick today. I'm gonna try kickflip feeble 270 out. Hopefully I can get that. All right, that's each trick now. Just gotta put them together. Okay, so some of you guys might know this already, but I've been participating in the Braille Mini Ramp Champ Game of Skate competition over on the Braille Skateboarding channel. So if you want to check me out over there, I'll be facing Jaws on Wednesday. I think it's May 13th. So yeah, not sure exactly what time. Just check their channel or their Instagram to find out more. And yeah, see you guys soon.